For years, you'd go out, shoot footage, or bring back a raw video file, and then you had to sit down and edit it, dig through the whole timeline looking for the good parts. And honestly, that process is exhausting, even for professionals. Well, now there's a platform that makes this whole thing easy, and I genuinely think it's a bit of a revolution: AI video cut. This is exactly what I've been talking about. A tool that takes one long video and automatically finds the best moments in it, then turns them into a bunch of short, ready-to-post clips for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. That's the whole idea today. One long video in, endless short-form content out. One video, infinite content. I don't want to talk too much. Let's jump right in and actually test it and see if it's as good as it says. Step 1. Getting started. First, using the link in the description, we head over to the official site. This is the home page. And the first thing you notice is that there's nothing complicated here. You either paste the YouTube link or you upload your own video straight to the site. Doesn't matter if you've got raw footage, a podcast, or a vlog. You can bring all of it in and work with it. So here's what I do first. I grab a link from YouTube and drop it into the site. Step 2. Choosing your clip style. Once it starts processing, it takes you to a new page with your video loaded, and it asks exactly what kind of cuts you want from this video. There's an automatic mode where it just detects and prepares clips based on what it finds important, or you can pick from a bunch of ready-made templates, things like viral clips, show highlights, funny moments, product review, and trailer. Now, what if none of the templates match what you actually want? Easy. There's a custom tab where you just type out exactly what you're looking for, and it pulls the clip based on that. So don't worry about that either. For example, I could type "find sections with a strong hook that would work well as a viral short." For this one, I pick a template based on what kind of output I want for my video. I can even choose how many outputs I want and what aspect ratio they should be in, like 9:16 for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. After that, they move on to the export settings. Here I can pick the video's language, turn on captions, and even choose from different caption styles. Pick whichever one fits the vibe of my video best. Honestly, this part matters a lot. If the captions aren't done well, the content just doesn't land. A lot of people watch Reels and Shorts with the sound off, so this can make or break the video. I pick one of the caption styles, set the output to 9:16, and hit submit to see what kind of clips the tool pulls from this long video. And off it goes. Quick note while it's processing, every account gets up to 15 minutes of this feature completely free. Step 3. The results. This particular video is close to 4 minutes long. Once it's done processing, the tool goes ahead and picks a title for me on its own. It also drops the finished video right there for me to preview. Let's take a look together. And honestly, it managed to nail pretty much what I was going for. For a free tool, that's really impressive. It also gave me a full transcript, which is super useful. I can see exactly which parts it cut. There's a caption overlay on the video, and yes, there's a watermark too, which I'll get to it. You can edit the output or regenerate it if something's off. There's a trim tool to adjust the clip sections. You can edit the transcript, change caption styles and fonts, and there's even a headline logo section. That one's not available yet, but it's coming in the future. Here's the cool part though. It gave me 4 different versions of my video, each with its own title, and you can tell each one was actually worked on. It went through the transcripts, found the right cut points, and separated them out properly. This is basically the smart system that's supposed to make your whole job easier. About the watermark. Since this is a free plan, your video gets a watermark on it. That's totally fine for testing things out or simple projects. But if you're working professionally, I'd honestly recommend grabbing one of the paid plans to get the full experience the tool has to offer. Step 4. Testing with my own upload. Let's run one more test. This time with a video I upload myself. So I upload a video, but this time I want the output to cut in a way that feels engaging for social media, something that actually pops. For the clips I want, I go into the custom tab and type out my prompt. I set the video and caption settings, hit generate, and here's the output. In under 5 minutes, I had several cut and ready clips for my project, and that's honestly where it saves you the most time. You get to move fast without sacrificing quality, the output quality is genuinely good, and like I said, all of this with zero cost and zero hassle. One more thing worth mentioning is the mobile interface. A lot of content creators aren't always sitting behind a computer, so being able to check your clips on your phone matters. You can see how it looks in vertical format, whether the captions are readable, and get a quick look before you post. It just makes the whole workflow smoother. Closing. At the end of the day, here's what matters to me. This tool isn't trying to replace an editor completely. What it does is to take the boring, time-consuming part of the job and make it way faster. So really, you can use it just to get your work done quicker. And honestly, sometimes it'll pull out moments from a video that wouldn't have even crossed your mind. That's one of the best things about it. AI Video Cut helps you find those moments a lot more easily. And that's really the whole point here. You take one video and you walk away with infinite content, ready for every platform in a fraction of the time it would normally take. That's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, my friend.